Hello, hi aspirants. It's an intro for both first and second year students. Okay, let us know what is zoology. It is nothing but the study of animals. In the course by PC of intermediate, the subjects included are biology, physics, chemistry, and languages. Whereas biology is a study of living organisms in which the botany deals with plants, whereas the zoology deals with animals. When we bifurcate the term zoology, zoon refers to animals and logy refers to study. It is the study of animals. And Aristotle is regarded as the father of zoology and biology. He written a book called Historia Animalium. He laid foundation for the scientific study of animals through his observation. He dissected some animals and he was the first to systematically classify living things, making foundational observations in botany, zoology and embryology. అంటే కొన్ని యానిమల్స్ ని ఈయన డిసెక్ట్ చేసి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయడం జరిగింది, అదే విధంగా క్లాసిఫై చేయడం జరిగింది. థ్యాంక్ యూ.